Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, depending on what time you're watching this, what part of the road you're in. This is Chris again, the Watch Lounge, coming with another unboxing. Today's double unboxing is brought to you by Travis, the owner of RZE Watches, guys. He was kind enough to send in two of these pieces. He sent in the Valour and the Endeavor, which are two pretty cool pieces. I've been wanting to check this brand out for a little while, and I've known Travis for a little while, which I think is pretty cool that he started his own company. But no wristwatch to check today, as I am wearing one of these said watches. I've been wearing it the last couple days. Of course, you know, I kind of cheat on the unboxings a little bit, kind of go ahead and see what I like, what I don't like about them, just so I can let you guys know. But quick little information, guys. This is a sponsored video, as he has offered a discount code for you guys, and if you click the link or use the code, I also get a portion of the sales, guys. So just a quick little disclaimer there. The Watch Lounge 30, you get $30 off any RZE watch that you order, and if you use my code, that'll help out the channel. Give me a little bit of commission as well, guys. But on to the watches themselves. On to the watches themselves, guys. I'm not going to do both boxes, as the Endeavor came in the same style box as this. Nothing too crazy here in the packaging. Overall, pretty nice presentation, guys. Comes in this pretty cool little leather pouch travel case. Excuse me, guys. But comes in this pretty cool little leather pouch travel case, guys. This watch here is the Endeavor, or the Valour, excuse me, as I am wearing the Endeavor. So overall, this one's pretty cool. It retails for about $370 US, guys, and they come in a bunch of different options. It has the Seiko NH movement, I do believe, or not the Seiko NH movement, I do believe this has the Mecha Quartz movement on it, with pretty cool, reliable movement, guys. For chronograph, it comes in this kind of almost like a PVD kind of finishing, like a dark orange and black, which you know I like that color combo, guys. And it also comes in a pretty cool salmon dial, which is I've been kind of eyeing myself, in a panda configuration as well. Overall, first impressions on this one is I really do dig this. If you're looking for a chronograph, a cheap chronograph under $400, guys, definitely worth it. Definitely worth looking at. And if you're looking for something different, definitely worth looking at. Now on to the second watch, guys. This is the Endeavor. This is one that I've been interested in checking out for a long time now. I would probably get the no date version. It comes with Seiko NH movement, either NH38 or NH35, whether you get the date or no date. This is a titanium bracelet, guys. It wears really light. I've been wearing it for the last 2 or 3 days now. And he has some pretty cool colorways on this as well. He's got almost like that Tiffany kind of blue kind of dial on there. I do kind of dig this yellow. This one's kind of different. And he's coming out with another watch that has a really minty kind of orange dial. You know, I dig orange. He has black and white. And again, this titanium wears really light, guys. Look for a full review of this guy pretty soon, as I do have to get it out to the next reviewer, starting a tour with some of the reviewers, guys. Anyways, guys, let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe. And again, if you are interested in these or any other of the RZE lineup, guys, use the code TheWatchLounge30. I will leave the code link down below. You can get $30 off your purchase, and also, like I said, a part of the commission goes to the channel, help the channel out, guys. Appreciate Travis for setting that up. Thanks for getting the discount to my viewers, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.